Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add restaurant menu for your site in Site123. So let's just start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add new page. When you're gonna do it, you want to click here on restaurant, and you're gonna see it right here, restaurant menu. So you want to click on it, and when you're gonna do it, you can see easily how it looks like. So let's just click here on edit. Now you can just change the desserts and main menu. So let's just see how it looks like. We see this is the desserts main menu. Okay, when I go and edit, I can let's just click here, add new item, add a category, and I will add a category Monday. Title food 1, 15. Choose image. Yep, save and close. So Monday, okay, and we can add new item. Okay. I'm just showing you how we can be done. 20. Choose image, and he's going to eat shoe. Save and close. So now when I see it, look at this. We see Monday. Food. Okay, and this is how you do it, and this is how you add menu for your site. If you got many, like if you're gonna have a lot of menu, this is going to be really tricky. I'm thinking how it can be done. Like in the moment when you have like few drinks or a few restaurant menu items, it's gonna be okay. But if you're gonna have many, it's like, I don't know, interesting.